Looking to edit professional videos right on your phone or tablet. Whether you are making YouTube videos, TikTok, or business promotion, these are the 9 best mobile video editing apps you should be using in 2026. And this is actually going to be working on both your Android, iOS, and iPad, or maybe your tablet. So let's go ahead and get into this. Now, without wasting much of your time, the first application on this list is LumaFusion. Now, everything I am going to be listing here is actually pro and free, not basically free alone. Most of them are pro versions, so it means that you have to pay. So put that in mind while watching this video, and very few of them you have a free version or a trial version. So LumaFusion is actually a professional video editing app on mobile. The key features includes keyframing, multi-tracking timeline, and advanced audio editing. Now, this is actually available on iOS, iPad, and Android. And you actually have a one-time purchase, which means you do not need to subscribe every year or every month. You pay once and you use it for a very long time. LumaFusion is one of the most powerful touch-based video editing that is actually compatible for your mobile devices, or rather basically all your mobile devices. It is not a subscription based and you only pay once and you are done. The interface is sleek, customizable in 6 different layouts, and also works perfectly in both portrait and landscape mode. Now, editing is smooth and intuitive. You just need to drag your clip into the timeline, apply filters and your keyframe, almost any parameters for your cinematic transitions. It is your serious and above average content creation tool. Now, from YouTube video to brand promotion, LumaFusion is actually a must-have for everyone that is a creator. CapCut has actually a free and a paid version, and it is very social media friendly. The key features of this tool include color correction, background remover, and also TikTok integration. Now, it runs on Android, iOS, Windows, and also a web version, and it has a free and a paid subscription, or rather a pro subscription. So you can either use the free mode or you use a pro subscription. Now, CapCut is actually a go-to video editing for TikTok and Instagram creation. It is completely free and yet surprisingly powerful. You get a pro level tools in your background, like background remover. It actually helps you to remove background of a moving video, or rather a video. Now, it also have a speed control and also a text-to-speech and captioning of all wrapped in clean and easy to use interface. This is actually for either a basic or a pro level video editor. There is actually a paid version which also have an extra transition and effect, but the free version will also cover most of what basic content creators need. And all you need to do is to edit your video and then you go live on social media, and CapCut makes it seamlessly easy to integrate TikTok and upload with no brainer. Now, the next is Cyberlink Pro Director mobile application. This pro version, it is actually the best and rather a fast and easy way to edit your video, and the key features includes multitasking, multi-tracking, video editing, chroma key, and masking. Now, the features, the platform includes Android, iOS, and iPad, and it also has a free and a subscription based plan. Now, Power Director actually brings the desktop style of video editing tool in your mobile. You can use it to as a free with some limitation, and also it has a capped HD exporting version, or rather a missing premium version if you want to export your videos. The layout is actually user friendly and lets you to trim your videos and add effects, titles, and transitions, and even pull media from free libraries like Pixel and Pixabay, which is actually a very useful resource. Now, it is also a great app for content creators and also a learning pro video editing tool. And this also helps you to have, note that it requires full access for you to have a media library, which is also privacy concern for some. And if you do not have the media library option, you might be getting copyright use if you use most of these features. The next one is Adobe Premiere. This video editing for your phone and also iPad. This Adobe Premiere is only for iPhone and your iPad. The key features include frame accurate editing, AI audio tool, and its available platforms are iOS and iPad. And the Android is coming soon. And each version is free and subscription based. Now, Adobe Premiere for mobile is a game changer. It is almost powerful as a desktop version, and most tools are free to use for you. It also have an Adobe subscription you might already have access to. The design is smooth and professional and also intuitive. You can edit frame by frame, enhance your audio, making use of AI, and even more, generate custom and sound effects on the platform, or rather on the application. If you are a content creator using Apple device, your device or this device is going to deliver studio level editing in your pocket. This is actually cool. The fifth one is DaVinci Resolve. This is only available for iPad. Now, it is actually going to bring you a Hollywood grade editing. The key features are full desktop grade tools, which is also going to include color grading and audio transcription. And the only available platform is iPad. And it is also free, and also you can upgrade it for a one-time upgrade. Now, DaVinci Resolve is one of the best professional video editing tools already, and it is now on iPad. Now, you actually get a full video editing and also a color correction tools identical to that of a desktop version. Now, this is also going to include a plus support for your transition, titles, and your visual effects. The free version is already very powerful enough for most creators, while for a one-time upgrade to unlock advanced features is probably necessary for advanced content creator or video editor. If you connect your keyboard or your mouse, you get even faster shortcuts. But this is actually full touchscreen and also touchscreen friendly for a pro level editing on the go. DaVinci Resolve is unmatched for any of these tools I am mentioning here. It is probably the best, but the only issue, it is only available on iPad. Now, the next one is Adobe Premiere Rush. This is actually perfect for beginners that are just into content creation or video editing for the first time. The key features include cross-platform, motion graphics, and also Adobe integration. The platform includes Android, iOS, iPad, Windows, Mac iOS. This is probably almost the whole platform. Now, this runs on free and also a subscription-based plan. Now, Adobe Rush is beginner-friendly editor, perfect for content creation, just a signing out, and also it's fast and lightweight, and also works seamlessly across all devices. The magnetic timeline makes editing easy. True, it takes a while and also a little practice to master. This is not easy to get around. I actually found it difficult when I was testing it out. Now, you also get access to transition, color filter, and reusable effects. While device synchronizing is disabled, it is also a great way to learn the basic and also eye-catching content creation, and also easier for you to make content for YouTube and Instagram. The next one is Final Cut. This is also only available for iPad, and Apple Professional 2 on the go. Now, the key features is a tablet camera capture, handwriting capture, and also a multicam editing. Now, this is only available for iPad, and then it is only subscription based. There is no free version for this. Now, Final Cut Pro for iPad brings Apple legendary desktop software to mobile. It includes professional grade video editing, audio tools, and also the ability for you to capture directly from your iPad to the iPhone camera. Now, the editing is buttery smoother. I don't know the exact use of this word. Someone wrote it. The editing is buttery smoother and multicam supports, and also it makes it perfect for a professional project. So if you want to edit professional tools, that is actually what you need to use. And then the eighth one on my list is KineMaster. Now, when I started editing my video, or rather started using mobile video editing, the first tool I actually made use of is KineMaster. So it is versatile, fast, and also the feature is packed. Now, the features include template, chroma 2, or rather chroma key, 4K export, and also audio editing. And now it runs on Android, iOS, and iPad. It also have a free subscription, and it also have a free and a subscription base. Now, KineMaster is ideal for creators who want to edit quickly and use templates. Even with a free version, they can be able to use templates, and it also has tons of features, and the interface is clean and also professional. You can export up to 4K resolution videos even without paying a dime, so it is available for free users. Though free user gets a watermark when it is exported, with access of massive asset store full of effects and transitions. KineMaster is one of the most flexible video editing available on the mobile. And then the next one, or rather the last one, is Video Leap. This is AI powered for content creator. The key tools include AI recurring, AI voice, AI image generation. And also this platform that works for this tool is actually Android, iOS, and iPad. It also has a free trial, a subscription base, and a one-time purchase. I don't know, or rather I didn't understand why it has a subscription and also a one-time purchase, but whatever the reason is, it is best known to them. Now the next, to further explain what it does, Video Leap actually stands out with the impressive AI features. You can actually use tools like AI voices, AI recurring, AI filter to enhance your clip effortlessly, and the timeline editing is smooth, and also it has a gesture intuitive, and also the layout is beautiful, and especially on tablet. While many AI features requires a paid plan, the creative possibilities are endless. If you love creating or rather experimenting with AI and creating content for social media, Video Leap is a very powerful tool that you can try. So there you have it. These are actually the 9 best mobile video editing for 2026, and I think you would love to try either of these software. Let me know which one you are trying, and also if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching my video. This is TS Tech Talk, and my name is Trust. Stay safe and peace.